Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the DPI of an image. So I've got an image with 72 DPI and I want to change it. To do that, go to Google and type DPI converter. Then, pick the first results, the convert town. Then, choose your DPI and click on Choose Image. Pick the one you want and it will be done in seconds. Now let's go to the desktop to check whether we got a file with different DPI. And as you can see, the DPI has changed. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.